Common octopus. The common octopus is the species most people picture when they think of an octopus. It lives in oceans around the world, usually hiding among rocks, coral reefs, and the seafloor. Its soft body can squeeze through tiny spaces, and its skin changes color and texture in seconds to match its surroundings. This remarkable camouflage helps it avoid predators and sneak up on crabs, fish, and other prey. Giant Pacific Octopus. The giant Pacific octopus is the largest octopus species on Earth. It lives in the cold waters of the northern Pacific Ocean, where some individuals grow several meters across and weigh over 50 kilograms. Despite its enormous size, it moves with surprising grace and spends much of its time exploring the seafloor. It is highly intelligent, able to solve simple puzzles, remember places, and use its powerful arms to capture food. Blue-ringed octopus is one of the smallest octopus species, yet it is also one of the most dangerous. It lives in shallow coastal waters around Australia and nearby parts of the Pacific. Most of the time, its body looks plain, but bright blue rings appear when it feels threatened. Its venom is extremely powerful and can affect the nervous system within minutes, making this tiny animal one that people should never handle. Mimic octopus. The mimic octopus is famous for its incredible ability to imitate other sea animals. Found in the warm waters of Southeast Asia, it can change both its color and body shape. It may spread its arms to resemble a lionfish, flatten itself like a stingray, or copy the movements of a sea snake. This unusual skill helps it confuse predators and survive in open areas with fewer places to hide. Coconut octopus. The coconut octopus gets its name from its clever use of coconut shells for protection. It lives on sandy ocean bottoms in the Indo-Pacific region, where it gathers empty shells and carries them along the seafloor. When danger approaches, it quickly hides inside. This behavior is considered one of the clearest examples of tool use by an invertebrate, showing that intelligence in the animal kingdom appears in many different forms. Dumbo Octopus. The Dumbo Octopus lives deep beneath the ocean surface, far below where sunlight can reach. It has two large fins that look like elephant ears, giving it its popular name. Instead of crawling along the seafloor, it gently swims through the dark water using these fins. At such extreme depths, food is scarce, so it feeds on small creatures drifting through the deep sea. Blanket octopus. The blanket octopus is known for its dramatic appearance. Females grow much larger than males and have long, colorful webs stretching between their arms like a flowing blanket. When threatened, they spread these webs to appear much bigger than they really are. They also have an unusual defense, sometimes carrying the stinging tentacles of Atlantic Pygmy Octopus. The Atlantic Pygmy Octopus is one of the smaller members of the octopus family. It lives in the western Atlantic Ocean among coral reefs, seagrass beds, and rocky areas. Its small size allows it to hide in tiny cracks and abandoned shells where larger animals cannot reach. Although easy to overlook, it is an active hunter that feeds on small crustaceans and other marine animals. Seven-arm octopus. The seven-arm octopus has an unusual name because mature males appear to have only 7 visible arms. One arm is specially adapted for reproduction and stays tucked away inside a pouch, making it difficult to see. This species lives in the open ocean rather than near the coast, spending much of its life swimming through deep water in search of fish and other prey. Glass octopus. The glass octopus is one of the rarest and most mysterious octopus species ever observed. Much of its body is nearly transparent, allowing light to pass through it and making it extremely difficult to spot in the open ocean. Only its eyes, digestive organs, and optic nerve are clearly visible. This natural invisibility provides excellent camouflage in the bright waters far from the seafloor, where hiding places are almost impossible to find.